And on CSI, there is no distinction made between historical science and observational science. Natural laws that applied in the past apply now.
This guy misses the point. What is the difference between operational science and historical science? Operational science focuses on now. It answers the question, what happens, and is observational, repeatable and falsifiable, meaning it can be either true or false. Historical science tries to make sense out of historical events, trying to find out what happened in the past. Historical science gathers evidence, interprets that, and it's only partially falsifiable. It can be either plausible or false. So we can only test to see if something could theoretically have happened, but there's no absolute guarantee it did happen that way. Operational science is all about defining natural laws. Historical science is about finding the only one truth. That makes operational science applicable for inventions, while historical science is not. Let's illustrate that by this broken bottle. Operational science can drop bottles to test gravity. It can smash bottles to find out what happens and define laws about the strength of the glass. And we can test things like what role the glass thickness plays in this. Historical science focuses on this particular bottle. We found it and we can interpret it to answer questions like, what happened? How does this happen? And why? Did it break by dropping or by smashing? And we can take fingerprints in the hope to find out who broke it. A good example of operational science is the periodic table. We can apply everything that is in it and use it and watch it over and over again. An example of historical science is forensic science. We can find evidence and interpret it, but we cannot really repeat it, nor observe what happened. When it comes to evolution, it has both an operational component and a historical component. We can define natural laws about evolution that occurs today, which is part of biology. But the majority of evolutionary theory is interpreted from evidence within paleontology. The part that describes Darwinian evolution is all in the realm of historical science. We cannot repeat it, nor observe what happened. That is the difference between operational science and historical science. So it has nothing to do with natural laws changing over time whatsoever.